for our Pasig River Report.
Congratulations! Batch 7, 2013. We have this training. This is also to get them as a group. And it included the Manila Bay, Valencia, Concordia, Santibanez, Aviles, and a little bit of Paco. Training here, maraming team building, like 2 days of team building, then military drills, education in first aid. Kung walang river warrior, kahit anong gagawin mo sa estero, walang mangyayari sa buhay kasi walang bantay. And yung bantay dapat galing dyan.
So, ang Joint Task Force National Capital Region ay nag-provide ng mga personnel regarding the conduct ng training. In-introduce nila some aspect ng discipline at saka yung stamina sa training na maaaring magamit nila pagkatapos ng training nila sa River Warrior. Marami kaming natutunan tungkol sa paglilinis sa ating kalikasan. And yung pag-training din namin, nadidisiplina naman din na hindi namin akalain na ganito kahirap pero masarap.
The future of this country is bright kasi talagang magaling ang mga Pinoy.
River Warriors! With your help, the river will flow with life again.